All right, so now that you guys know how to use the move tool, you know how to use the shapes tools, as well as the magnification, the hand tool, you should be able to start creating shapes, start creating different shapes with different colors and play around with these. And then you should be able to change colors, double click, change colors of whatever shape it is that you are selecting. You should also know how to align them. So if I wanted this pink box to align with this star, you can select both of them, click on this align window and then align them so that they're perfectly aligned to whatever you choose. And then you should know how to overlap or rearrange your images based off your arrangement capability. So you could select both of these, or actually you could select the star. Remember, you could hit Control and then arrange and bring to front. So now it's in front of this pink shape right there. Okay. So with those, you should be able to recreate your American flag fairly fast. So let's see if I can do this for you guys, at least the first part of it, and then we'll go from there. So here is, I'm just going to start over, close this, hit my rectangle tool, just going to make a box. Now if I want the same exact color, shortcut is to just use your eyedropper tool. Click on this while this shape is selected. Click on your resource. There's your color. I'm going to hop on the move tool. And then I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible just for the sake of this demo. I'm going to borrow the star, put it on here. I'm going to bring this to the front and change this to white. Hold shift so I can resize it. Let's zoom in. We should have, on the first row, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's try to recreate 6 stars. So the easiest way for this is to select the star, hold Option, and then if you want this to be fixed, you're going to hold Option, and while you're holding Option, so you could copy an object, you're going to hold Option and move, and while you're doing this, you're going to hold Shift as well so that it sticks to the original axis of your shape. So you're going to do this and let go of the mouse. Boom. So you're going to hold Option, do that so that you can recreate those stars on there. Okay. And then if you want them to be distanced correctly, remember you can select all of them, all of those shapes. So I'm going to use my black arrow and make a selection out of all of them. Now, since I don't want this box, I'm going to hold Shift and click on this box, and then now it deselects that box and only selects the stars. And then now here in my alignment window, I'm going to go back to this horizontal distribute sensor, and there's my first row of stars that's equidistant from each other. Okay, so that's how you do that one point or that one portion of the star. So that same idea of copy and pasting and horizontal distribute is going to be the same idea that you're going to apply for the stripes, except you're probably going to want to use that vertical distribute. And that's it. So good luck to your first Illustrator assignment.